Thank you for joining us today. In this short video, we're going to discuss the latest jumbo loan details. Home buyers that have questions can visit us at jumboloancenter.com or call us 7 days a week at 1-800-840-6449. To start today's video, we're going to discuss some of the most common low down payment jumbo financing options for 2019. Homebuyers and current homeowners should note that the loan program guidelines can and do change frequently, so it's always a good idea to visit the website at jumboloancenter.com and see all the latest updates and any program guideline changes. First, for the 95% 5% down jumbo loan option, the minimum credit scores for this program started at 700. This is for loan amounts from the conforming loan limit up to $1.5 million. For loan amounts from $1.5 million to $2 million, the required minimum credit score would be a 740. Again, the loan limit overall for the 95% financing is $2 million. This is the loan limit, not the sales price of the property. This is all pertaining to just the actual amount borrowed, the loan limit. This applies to all primary single-family homes, townhomes, and most condominiums are also eligible. The program works very similar to most standard conforming loans or conventional loans, where full income and asset documentation will be required from the borrower. This includes 2 years of tax returns and W-2s for home buyers that are regularly employed. Also for asset documentation, any assets needed to qualify for the loan to document the down payment and closing costs, that would be required in the form of 2 months of asset statements. These programs all require mortgage payment reserves, and mortgage payment reserves is the amount of money left over after the borrower makes their down payment and their closing costs. Generally, payment reserves are monthly reserves, so a good example would be for a 95% financing option. Most of those programs will require, depending on the loan amount, generally in the range of 6 months of mortgage payment reserves. So in the example, if a home buyer has a mortgage payment with their principal and interest, their taxes and homeowners insurance included, let's say it's $5,000 a month for their total housing expense, the program, let's say, requires 6 months of reserves, then the home buyer is going to need to document $30,000 remaining after the down payment and the closing costs are made. Most of the time the reserves requirements can be met by non-liquid accounts too. That's important to remember. 401k accounts, retirement accounts, IRA, these things often can satisfy the reserve requirements. Again, the reserve requirements will vary based on many parameters like the borrower's credit score, their down payment, whether it's a 5 or 10 or 15% or 20% down payment, and then of course also their loan amount will change what the reserve requirements are. The programs apply to all purchase and standard rate and term refinance. Cash out refinance options are available as well, but most of those options are limited to 90% loan to value. For the terms, all the common fixed rate and adjustable rate terms are available. These programs are principal and interest payments. There are limited interest-only options available. There are no negative amortization options available with these programs. There is no monthly mortgage insurance required, no PMI, as most people know that term. A lot of times the loans are structured into what's commonly referred to as a piggyback loan, where it's actually a first and a second mortgage, a piggyback second mortgage combo, and this is the most common structure in order to first try to keep, when possible, the first mortgage amount lower than the conforming loan limit, and then also as an avenue to also avoid mortgage insurance. The loan structures, again, for the 95% financing, it's commonly an 80-15 combination loan structure. For the 90%, an 80-10 loan structure. And advantages, there are generally lower conventional mortgage rates on the first mortgage when you can keep those balances below the conforming loan limit. Again, no PMI or mortgage insurance, and there also are single straight 95% and 90% financing options available for borrowers doing just one loan, one straight loan. Those are available as well. Jumbo loan amount and the loan to value overview. Again, for the 95% financing, the loan amount limits are $2 million. Those start at a 700 credit score for borrowers that are going to be borrowing below $1.5 million. Again, full documentation, no mortgage insurance, and there's single loan and combo loan options available. The 90% financing, those loan amounts are available currently to $3 million, and 85% loan amounts are available up to $3 million. Generally, the credit score and the reserve requirements are going to be greater when you're talking about loan amounts, really when they get excess of $2 million. There are many more jumbo mortgage options available for investment or rental properties. Those generally start at a minimum of 15% down payment. And again, it's important for home buyers to check the website and just look there at the home page or on the jumbo purchase page, and it'll have all the latest details and any changes regarding loan limits and down payments and credit score requirements. Please contact us today if you have any questions. We're, again, happy to assist home buyers nationwide 7 days a week. We can be reached at 1-800-840-6449 or visit jumboloancenter.com. Thank you.